What's up? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be working on this. Some chain popped on me a few weeks back. Just riding down the road. Didn't cause any damage or anything like that. So got a replacement chain for it, and also front and rear sprockets. Might as well do it all at once. So yeah, putting that on today. Maybe take it for a ride. It's been a while, so alright, let's get to it. So I got the wheel off. Before I put black before I throw it on again. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Then paint that black. That one already came black. So I'm gonna paint that real quick, let it dry, and do that. And while I wait, I'll just run the new chain through. I'll have to cut some links off of it. This is 150 links. I know for sure I don't need that much. So I have to cut it to size and then put that on. So see y'all back in a few. So got the new chain ran through. Couple coats of black on the rear sprocket. So yeah, it's moving along. So I got the old chain out. Old rear sprocket off. Small sprocket off. Chain in there. Sprocket in there already. And I sprayed this. I'll just wait for it to dry a little bit. Put it on there. And put the wheels back on, or the wheel back on. And brakes and all that, and then should be good to go. I haven't rode it in a while, so maybe I'll start it up after this. And so I got everything back on it, chains on, everything. Got the extra links that I didn't need. Everything is on there. Master link right there. Tighten it up. A little bit of play, not much, just what it needs. Yeah, that's it. It's good to go. Won't be able to ride it today, so I got other stuff I gotta do, but yeah, it's all set. Don't mind the mess. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. I think I might be doing like a giveaway or something like that. So if you're interested, comment on the bottom. Just let me know. I'm not sure exactly what it is yet, but I'll keep y'all posted when I find out. So when I make up my mind. So all right, see you on the next one.